Walnut welcome to each of you. We are so excited about the carnival and we can't wait to present our incredible dances and performances. It's our biggest event of the year. At Walnut, students are the top priority, closely followed by our wonderful parents. Every decision we make is focused on ensuring our students receive the best possible experience while making things as convenient as possible for our parents. Every day, even today, our honored guests and chief attendees are our dedicated parents, along with our passionate Walnut team members and supporters. There's no doubt that Walnut parents are exceptional. Many new families join us through referrals from our current parent community, showcasing the trust and satisfaction they have in our institution. There's no better endorsement we could ask for. As we all know, light symbolizes the triumph over darkness, ignorance, and negativity. It welcomes positivity, knowledge, and good vibes. With this in mind, we would like to begin today's celebrations by lighting the lamp. We kindly invite some special members of our Walnut family to come forward and light the lamp, officially launching our carnival program. Our founder and director, Dr. Arpita Karkare, is a visionary leader committed to driving innovation within our system through her forward thinking ideas. Ms. Rajeshri Venkat, our principal, who provides expert guidance and ensures that everything runs smoothly and excellently. Girish Dangat sir, who consistently stands firm with Walnut, driving us towards excellence. Rajeshri Borade, Vice Principal, Baby Walnut, Shivne, a cheerful personality with a work culture focused on meticulous attention to detail, shaping and enriching our minds. And Parent Ambassador, parents of Grade 1A, Samarth Borhade, and parents of 3D Beyond Daftardar. I request everyone to please light the lamp and start the carnival.
Thank you. Dear parents, a very hearty welcome to you. This is the 10th year of Walnut School and this is the 10th year of this campus as well. We have a small special ceremony at the end of the first session, just before the final dance. So please make sure you're here for the final dance as well. That's a really fun end to every session. And we have a small token of appreciation because we have a huge number of parents who had joined us right in 2015 when we started. And they are still with us. The students are in grade 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have a special ceremony to say thank you to all of them for being with us right from the beginning, and we'll be sharing a little bit of the Walnut story as well. So on the stage right now, we have some of our brand ambassadors who are very vocal about supporting the school and have also helped us increase the Walnut family with like-minded parents like yourself. So we are very thankful to them and we hope that your patronage continues and you always keep giving us feedback the way you are. We also have on stage our partner and very good friend Girish Dangat, who is the owner of this campus. It is because of the Dangat family that Walnut School found a place to grow and thrive. And it is their support and their vision in every step of the way with us that let us be what we are. So we really miss Nana Dangat, who passed away last year. and it's every function we used to always be sure of his presence in a very punctual, in a very sober, in a very nice way. So we hope he's watching over us and he continues to bless us in all our endeavors. We also have with us Mr. Ramdas Deshmukh, who is also, the Deshmukh family is also a very big supporter of Walnut, and part of the premises that we use are courtesy of this family as well, and they also help us and support us in every possible way that they can. So with such a wonderful community and all of you parents, our kids are now taking positions and we hope you cheer them very much. We also have our student crew. Student crew, show yourselves please. These are our 9th and 8th standard students who are going to be managing the entire arena. So please cooperate with their instructions so that you will have a very smooth carnival.
Thank you, and let's enjoy a fantastic day together. Thank you so much for starting our event. Now we request everyone to please rise for the national anthem. We request you to sing along strongly with pride in your hearts. Thank you so much for starting our event. Now we request everyone to please rise for the national anthem. We request you to sing along strongly with pride in your hearts.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Thank you. Please take your seats. There are some things that we would like to explain to you to make the whole carnival experience smooth for everyone. Please listen carefully. We will be telling you about photos, how you can collect the students, and about the flow of the event in general. We are the student crew and we are in charge of the flow of the program and managing the performing arena and the audience. You can see us in the yellow t-shirts. We are at the announcer's desk and some of us are also near the audience edge of the zones. We are sure that the wonderful Walnut family will cooperate with us and keep it a smooth and fun experience for everyone. Let me tell you about photographs. The Walnut Photos team will take photographs of the students after costumes and makeup. We will be sharing the link to those with you about 2 weeks after the event. You are welcome to take as many photos and videos as you wish when the students are performing. There is no restriction like other schools. Just make sure you are always behind the barricades. Do not come into the performing arena. Also, let other parents take their children's photos. Please cooperate. Also, after the performance is over, students will be waiting for a minute in the respective performance areas for you to click their photos. You can come near the barricades and click as many individual photos of your child in costume.
Please do not enter the performance arena. All this allows you to make memories of this day to your heart's desire. We will announce once the time is up. This is when the teachers will take them back to the rooms for costume changes and only then hand the students back to you. Now, let's talk about receiving the students. After the students change back into their own clothes, they come down into the primary building basement. When they do, we will make an announcement that the students of so and so program are ready. Then parents can go to the primary basement to collect them. Do bear in mind that after the photos, it will take about 15 to 20 minutes for the kids to be ready for handover. I w- I would like to tell you about the food stalls. We have food stalls in the secondary basement and a giant screen there that shows the carnival performances live. So you can continue enjoying the show from there too. That only bear in mind that this is not a full service restaurant. So please put away your used plates and bowls in the designated areas so that other parents and families come into the area. Everybody gets a good space to use and enjoy. Do like we students do so every day. Clean up after yourself. Don't forget the final dance. We will have the final dance after the last performance of the first session have cleared the performance arena, which is so and so. We will be inviting all of you to join in. We trust you have seen the steps and know the dance. Show your energy and enthusiasm and your dance moves by stepping into the arena. And let's end this session on dance high. Mega drama announcement. The students of standard 5 to 9 are presenting the mega drama, The Swords of Sovereignty. This is the story of how our brave Indian kings protected our people from invaders. Do stay back for that fabulous performance. Are we all set? Let the carnival begin. Our youngest stars are here. Let's give a warm welcome to the nursery students of Baby Walnut Kindergarten. Let's have a little conversation with them.
Hi there. What's your name? Hi there. What's your name?
My name is Ruta Kulkarni.
So Ruta, can you welcome everyone to the show?
Hello everyone, welcome to a carnival.
Good one.
Hi. Hi, what's your name? Hello, my name is Shaunak Indira Ravindra Puranik. Okay, do you have a message for our audience? This is our special day. Clap your hands and enjoy our lovely performance.
हेलो हाय नमस्ते सलामा आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा बोरिंग लम्हों को कर दे गुलाबी जश्न रुकने न देंगे जरा भी अपना फेमस है याद आना अपने संग तू भी आ जाना छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना जोरों जोरों से तू चिल्लाना
Everything's gonna be cool, 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 man. Cool, 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 man.
Hello, hey.
What a lovely performance! Parents, you can now come near the barricades and click additional photos of your child in costume. You can direct them to pose for you from outside the barricades. This group will remain in the performance area for about a minute before moving back for costume changes. Parents, you can now come near the barricades and click additional photos of your child in costume. You can direct them to pose for you from outside the barricades. What is your most favorite thing in school?
I love to talk. I love speak class. So I am waiting for our speaking demo now.
Okay.
Everybody ready?
Ready.
Beats ready, yeah?
इस रात का है अपना मजा, आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा। बैठा है क्या सीटी बजा, लुंगी पकड़ के मुझको क्या हुआ है, क्यों मैं खो गया हूँ। पागल था मैं पहले, या अब हो गया हूँ।
ऐसी है निगाहें और बिखरी है बात, तुमने बनाया है क्या अपना ये हाल।
कोई मिल गया, मेरा दिल गया, क्या बताऊं यारो, मैं तो हिल गया, कोई मिल गया, मिल ही गया, मिल ही गया। मैं लुटिया पुटिया जाऊंगा, तेरे इश्क में गोते खाऊंगा। ओ मन्नू मैं तो गया, तेरे दिल में टेंट लगाऊंगा। हुण पिंड ना वापस जाऊंगा। ओ मन्नू मैं तो गया, बंदा जीता था खुल के, तेरी गली में आया भूल के जी। चंगा भला सी मैं लुट पुट गया, ओ मैं तो लुट पुट गया, लुट पुट गया, मैं तो गया, ओ मैं तो लुट पुट गया, लुट पुट गया। हुण की करा, ओ मैं तो लुट पुट गया, लुट पुट गया, मैं तो गया, ओ मैं तो
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਵੀ ਨੀ ਟੱਪਿਆ ਸੀ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਵੀ ਨੀ ਟੱਪਿਆ। ਪੁੱਛੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਕਾਰੋਬਾਰ ਪੈਰ ਵੀ ਨੀ ਰੱਖਿਆ। ਜਦੋਂ ਦੀ ਮੈਡਮ ਜੀ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ, ਬਸ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਕੁੜੀ। ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਕੁੜੀ, ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ। Saturday, Booty Saturday, Booty Saturday, Booty Saturday.
Woo, that was an amazing performance.
Show the room what you can do. Prove to them you got the moves. Hey, I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing.
Wow, that was an excellent performance. Parents, you can now come near the barricades and click additional photos of your child in costume. You can direct them to pose for you from outside the barricades.
Ballet, ballet on a Sunday, Sunday. Ballet, ballet. Ballet, ballet on a Sunday, Sunday. Ballet, ballet. आजा उड़िए चल उड़िए आजा उड़िए उड़ देखिए आजा उड़िए चल उड़िए आजा उड़िए उड़ देखिए
आंधियां दी गलियां च चल नचिए हीरा दिया गलियां च चल नचिए
ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਤ ਲੱਭ ਲਈ on the dance floor ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੱਚ ਬਨੀਏ ਉਹ ਚੂੜੀਆਂ ਚੜਾ ਦੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਬਨੀਏ ਉਹ ਮਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਕਰਾ ਦੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਬਨੀਏ ਉਹ ਚਾਚਰਾ ਪਵਾ ਦੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਬਨੀਏ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਨੀ ਬੋਲੀਏ ਰੱਜ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਬਨੀਏ
आ जावे बलिए रज के तू रज बलिए
ਰਾਜਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਗਲੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਚੱਲ ਨੱਚੀਏ ਹੀਰਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਗਲੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਚੱਲ ਨੱਚੀਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਤ ਲੱਭ ਲਈ on the dance floor ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੱਚ ਬਨੀਏ ਉਹ ਚੂੜੀਆਂ ਚੜਾ ਦੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਬਨੀਏ ਉਹ ਮਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਕਰਾ ਦੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਬਨੀਏ ਉਹ ਚਾਚਰਾ ਪਵਾ ਦੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਬਨੀਏ यहाँ पे होती ही नहीं है ये सड़क तो सोती ही नहीं है पलकों पे चलते हुए बस ख्वाब है जागते रहते हैं
आ जावे बलिए रज के तू नच बलिए
आजा नी बलिए रज के तू नच बलिए
आंधियां दी गलियां च चल नचिए हीरा दिया गलियां च चल नचिए
ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਤ ਲੱਭ ਲਈ
on the dance floor मुंडिए
नच बनिए ओ चूड़ियां चढ़ा दूं नच बनिए ओ मेहंदियां करा दूं नच बनिए ओ चाचरा पवा दूं नच बनिए
Wow!
Hello, I have a riddle to ask you.
Really? What is it? Ask away.
What goes up and down but doesn't move?
Interesting. It goes up and it goes down, but it doesn't move. What is it?
A staircase.
Oh, I didn't get it. Hey,
Hey, I have a question for you. Try to answer it.
all right. Looks like an interesting group.
What gets bigger and bigger the more you take out from it?
Huh? You take away from it and it gets bigger? I have absolutely no idea.
It's a hole.
Okay. Let's put our hands together to encourage our Standard 2 students.
लेफ्ट लेग आगे आगे राइट लेग पीछे पीछे आजा यारा लेट्स स्टार्ट वे सर को घुमा ले राउंड पैर सारा अप डाउन इतनी सी ये बात वे बबल
on the dance floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. Booty shake, tap on the hardcore. Shoulder, hit the party, hit the give me, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. Booty shake, tap on the hardcore. Shoulder, hit the party, hit the give me, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me some more.
పొలం గట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిత్త దూకినట్టు పొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరాజు ఊగినట్టు కిర్రు సెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము చేసినట్టు మర్రి సొట్టు నీడలోన కుర్ర గుంపు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప దొక్కు కలిపినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 ఊర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా పిచ్చ నాటు 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 పిచ్చు కత్తిలాగా వెర్రి నాటు.
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार जज्बात के चिल्लर तो नोट बना के मेहंदी रात पे खुल के लुटा चिंगारियों को विस्फोट बना के अय्याशी के तू रॉकेट छुड़ा कैसा डर तू कर गुजर ये काम शानदार ओ आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार ये शाम शानदार ये शाम शानदार
This elegant performance by our third graders actually made our Sham Shandar.
I would have one eye in the middle of my head because it is fascinating, a new way to see things, and I would end up with a whole new outlook.
चुपके से चोरी करो, चोरी में कितना मजा, फिर सीना जोरी करो, दुनिया से नजरें बचा, पकड़े अगर जो गए मोटी मिलेगी सजा, दुनिया से डर जो गए धड़कन की ढोलक बजा, नच ले खुल के तू नच ले, उल्टा दे धुन और पलटा दे ताल, नच ले जी भर के नच ले, कर दे बवाल उठे दिल में मुजाल, नच ले खुल के तू नच ले, उल्टा दे धुन और पलटा दे ताल, नच ले जी भर के नच ले, कर दे बवाल उठे मस्ती चुरा और थोड़ी खुशियाँ चुरा, है गम का पहरा बड़ा। दुनिया में क्या है, क्यों है, कब है, कैसा है, सोचो ना। सपना सजा, सपने में पंख लगा, उसको फलक में उड़ा। तू ही तो रब है, रब है, रब है, रब है तेरा। कल की क्या फिक्र है तुझको, जी ले आज रे। दिल खुली किताब है जो चाहे बाँच ले। टैंगो था सब भंगड़ा तो कुछ भी नाच ले। गप्पा जिसको डांडिया तो जी ले आज रे। नच ले नच ले नच ले नच ले, खुल के तू नच ले। उल्टा दे धुन और पलटा देता। नच ले जी भर के नच ले। कर दे बवाल उठे दिल में भुजा। नच ले खुल के तू नच ले। उल्टा दे धुन और पलटा देता। नच ले जी भर के नच ले। कर दे बवाल उठे दिल में भुजा।
They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. The fire's in their eyes and their words are really clear, so beat it. But you wanna be bad, just beat it. Beat it. No one wants to beat it. Showing how funky, strong is your factor. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right, just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it.
Dura, 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 que está dura, mano arriba porque tú te ves bien. Está dura, mamacita, te fuiste de nivel. Dura, mira cómo brilla tu piel. Está dura, dímelo cómo es que está dura. Yo te doy un 20 de dieta. Dura, dura, dura. Tú eres la máquina de baile. Si no tienes a nadie, vente pa' mi brazo, caile. Ese perfume se siente en el aire. Algo como Argentina, tú me traes los Buenos Aires. Está poderosa, media escandalosa. Habrá muchas mujeres, pero tú eres otra cosa. Si fuera un delito eso de que estás hermosa, te arresto en mi cama y te pongo las esposas. Tienes el toque, toque, toque. Miren el material, edición especial. Tienes el toque, toque, toque. Perdóname, te lo tenía que decir. Está dura, 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 dura.
Ella es una mujer especial, como caída de otro planeta. Ella es un laberinto canal que te atrapa y no te entera. Así es María, blanca como el día, pero es veneno si te quieres enamorar. Así es María, tan caliente y fría, que si te la bebes de seguro te va a matar. ¡Uepa! 1, 2, 3, un pasito para adelante María. 1, 2, 3, un pasito para atrás. Aunque me muera ahora, María. Un pasito para adelante María. María, te tengo que besar.
Let's welcome our last performance for tonight. Standard 4, electrifying the atmosphere with Kohli mashup.
विसौची पारू निसली गो नवा सारा विसौची पारू निसली गो नवा सारा जाऊ चल गो 15 लाख पारू दर्याचे पुंगेला जाऊ चल गो 15 लाख पारू दर्याचे पुंगेला मी हाय कोली सोरील्या डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मारतीन कोली हानल्यान गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी वेसावच्या बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा परतीन गो तुझ्यावरी कल्ला गपारू करतेस यो नखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी चल गपारू आयली ही हिरो कर बाजारची तयारी सरकारची टोपली माथ्यावर ठेवून तुझा बाजारी
To come to the arena, come down to the bleachers. We have a very special function for the next 5 minutes, and right after that we have the final dance. Please find your way back to the arena from wherever you are, and right after that you can go back to your snacks or whatever it is you're hanging out with your friends. We started in 2015 with a very small team. It was just 3 people. We had a small team but big ideas, big plans about everything that we wanted to do, a school that we wanted to start and do all these things in the school and so on and so on and so on, and we were so excited. But a school is an enterprise which is capital intensive and needs a lot of land. So where could this walnut seed be even planted? Where could it even grow? And that is when we met the Dangat family. We met Nana Dangat, who is unfortunately no longer with us, and for every big milestone of walnut, we miss him heavily, and we hope he's watching over us, smiling and blessing us along the way. And along with him, we met Girish Dangat, who is our partner in this enterprise and now also a dear friend. And as we spoke with the Dangats, our ideas resonated and Walnut found a place to land and grow. And that is how Walnut came to be in the year 2015. And we started off as a small building, the kindergarten building. And there were 450 families at that time in the very first year. who showed faith in this idea, who also resonated with the same idea, and from a team that had grown from 3 to 4, we grew to more than a community of 1,000 right there in the first year itself. We want to say a very heartfelt thank you to these parents who believed in us in 2015. अरे बड़े बड़े दावे तो सब लोग करते हैं, but these are the families who actually listened, thought about it, trusted us, and have constantly been in touch with us, giving us feedback, constructive criticism, and we appreciate it so much. It's not that they haven't had any complaints or any of these things on those sort, but the relationship is really strong. We know that we can count on them to give us honest feedback about every single thing, and we know we can always ask them if we want to know how things are. So we are extremely grateful to these families, and these 3 days, every day, we are saying a special thank you to all of you for being a part of our family. We cannot do all of this. We have our students succeeding in every possible field. You name it and they're doing it. Be it board exams, be it competitive exams, sports, art, and any other field. They're doing well in computational thinking. They're doing well in engineering kind of exams. Our alumni is doing so great. In fact, today we have Deepansh who came in to tell us that he's got selected for the NDA, our first batch pass out. So we have students from our first batches who are placed in good institutes. Even though our first board exam batch had to go through the COVID no exam result, where they could have actually done very well, but unfortunately CBSE forced us to go to the India average and the Pune average, whereas our students are way beyond that. But in spite of that, from the second year onwards, the students have shown that in the results as well and in all-round development, they are doing so well. And all that can happen only with a parent community that understands and supports and is like-minded. And this parent community has been referred at some point, because it was not easy to take admission when you only see one teeny tiny building. And then the next year, we showed everybody the primary building was under construction at the time. But again, a lot of people make a lot of promises. How can you actually trust anyone? But these families did. And that was actually the school building. That wasn't even going to be the primary building. It was our school building. So the first year we had our carnival on the street, right there in 2015. And then in 2016, our non-kindergarten students moved into the building that we now call the primary building. While that was going on, Girish Tangat acquired the grounds, and so we could have our events and everything, our sports and everything in a slightly bigger place. While that was going on in 2017, we started another campus at Fursungi. So 2017 was a big leap for Team Walnut. As that was going on, COVID hit, and in that time, just before COVID hit, the response to this branch of Walnut School, this campus, was so huge that the Dangats acquired one more property, and they expanded the school to 2 buildings here. So now we have a primary building and a secondary building. So when we reopened after COVID, we reopened with double the size of the campus and almost double the students in that phase. And while that was going on, our third campus started at Wakad. So when COVID reopened, we reopened with extra floors in the Fursungi building, a whole new building in Shivne, and a whole new campus in Wakad. And the best part is, most of the admissions in Wakad, we are so proud to say, are referrals from Shivne parents. They all know somebody here and they have been strongly recommended. Okay, I'm just going to read out the names. If you can just face the audience in your zone and raise your hand so everybody knows who you are. So in zone AB, we have Rameshwar and Purnima Pawar, whose parents of Om Pawar. We have Aniruddha and Swati Mandalkar, Vijay and Mahima Marathe, Sachin and Ashwini Rajurkar, Deepak and Veena Sial. Their son is the one who got into NDA, told us today. Congratulations for that. Tushar and Pranjali Date. More than the growth in number of campuses, it's actually the relationships that matter the most. We have a few more in Zone AB. Kunal and Anuja Gadge, Hanmant and Vandana Yadav, Ashish and Prajna Khadilkar, Neeraj and Sharayu Ahir, Vineet and Ashwini Vanzade, Mayur and Rashmi Ghule, Ganesh and Neelam Sanas. Thank you so much. You've been an integral part of our journey and we are forever grateful for your support. Standing in Zone CD, we have Kuldeep and Sheetal Amrade. Sheetal was a vice principal for a while. We have Abhijit and Poonam Ghule, Shekhar and Rupali Kagde, Mayuresh and Mugdha Harshikar, Sarang and Shriya Vyavhare, Vineet and Dhanashri Thorat. The energy and enthusiasm that you guys bring to Walnut School has made all the difference. Thank you for being such big supporters. We have a few more in Zone CD. Ganesh and Sunita Marathe, Rajesh and Gauri Pandhe, Nagaraj and Gauri Bondade, Samir and Archana Kulkarni, Dinesh and Sushila Chaudhary. Some of these parents also have alumni who have passed out, but they didn't complete 10 years in Walnut because they came in at a higher grade than first standard. You all have been through us with every step, right from our first sports and annual day and carnivals through exams, online schooling and beyond. It's been such a wonderful ride. In Zone E and F, we have Prashant and Seema Kade, Paresh and Gandhali Joshi, Satyajit and Sonali Yevarkar, Suhas and Ashwini Paigude, Ajay and Vishakha Kalhe, Mandar and Vidula Dhavde. And a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you. You've helped Walnut School grow from one small building to a flourishing ecosystem that inspires students to think smart and be strong and stay balanced. We have a few more in Zone EF. Prasad and Ulka Chandude, Vinod and Divya Nair, Haresh and Anjali Munot, Ganesh and Nilam Sanas, Yogesh and Varsha Jadhav. You guys have been there cheering, encouraging and partnering with us, ensuring that your children get the best education possible and keeping us on our toes. In Zone GH, we have Amitabh and Sujata Ninavne, Nikhil and Shraddha Pundle, Sachin and Charuta Joshi, Moreshwar and Shilpa Mangve, Nikhil and Sonali Deshmukh. Nikhil Deshmukh is also a part of Walnut School team. Mandar and Manjiri Bhide. Manjiri has been with us also as a part of the management team from day one. It's because all of you that our students, our children, are taking sure and solid steps to become tough outside and smart inside. In Zone GH, we also have Prashant and Pratibha Pokarana, Kishore and Anjali Dhumar, Ranjit and Ashwini Jadhav, Srinivaslu and Amala Kandula, Anand and Gauri Kulkarni, Vilas and Sonali Shirsagar. We are proud to call you all a part of the Walnut family and we look forward to creating many, many more memories and milestones in the years ahead. Who knows? More campuses, more innovations, more reasons to celebrate. Thank you so much. Let's continue to grow. Here's to the next decade of Walnut School. Hip hip! Thank you. You can stay here if you want to take part in the final dance. You don't even have to move. Parents interested in dancing? Come on in.
Do the bigger digga ding dong song.